replacement. I found it. Sometimes you gotta spend money to save money. Cost me $90. But I found the mower for free and I gambled on it. Price 'em. Quiet too, so I can mow while everyone's sleeping. It's looking pretty green. Are you willing to go green with batteries? Man, they're a nemesis. They only last so long. Did you build your yard so you don't have to trim? Because I'm lazy. I haven't buried my quick plug for my easy water system yet. You know, you gotta engineer everything. That would be shade tree engineering. That's why I call it shade tree engineering. So you can spend more time under the shade tree. Yeah, maple by the cubic inch, hot diggity dog. Yahoo! Well, and if I was the kind of guy to spend money, not a sponsor, I might buy me something like this, because, you know, I've been pulling cords and draining oil and going to the gas station and firing it up. So if I do spend money, I spend once, buy right. The battery only lasts 40 minutes, but I can do the whole yard. Like, subscribe, comment, you guys. I'm trying to get your interest. Just an old man enjoying his backyard. We'll free the Kraken, because I gotta show you the pile of wood while we walk over there. It's getting pretty big. I'm gonna make something out of it. Poplar. Yeah. Got a couple of boards planed. You know, I had to buy the planer. But, you know, had to mow around the first flowers. So I let this patch grow. You know, they're one of the first ones up. They're like me up early in the year, not the morning. You know, them little grape looking things. Cool, but they do attract the bees. Well, it's so easy, man. Just move your stuff and fire right up. My advice, they should come with a mulching blade because the trash companies don't want to take grass no more. And for all you lazy bobbleheads, it's aspirin time. I'm just living the high life. Well, we enlarged the door for the squirrels. Springtime, them babies need a new home. Them babies gotta move out. So you might as well teach our youth to make some money. And I tell you, I've been at it over a year. But sooner or later they gotta move out. Encourage them. Don't be a naysayer. There is a gold mine here. And I'll tell you, I'm gonna figure it out. And teach our youth. Isn't that a great philanthropy? Come on, we're a free country. Everything I have was free. Plus a little hard labor.